I think I'm on a journey to being a reformed beer snob. I was the kind of person that would only drink local, high ABVs, strong flavors, bold tastes, definitely no nationwide brands, no Coors, no Miller. The harder to get, the better. And I think there was just something about spending hours waiting in line with other hopheads and waiting for the latest release or the next hyped up thing that really, I don't know, made more of an experience around having a beer. It wasn't just, can I get drunk, but how can I have an experience? How can I, really taste the goodness that's available to me? But then something happened. I had an urge to try something totally different. A light lager, just run of the mill, something that I could something easily accessible. And I had this real struggle as I approached the counter and present my 6-pack. Is there something wrong with me? Am I a different person now that I'm more open to this thing? I'm willing to see this change. I don't know what is happening to me, but I embraced the change and I realized I think I'm better for it. I was hesitant and really resistant to change. I was really comfortable in my lane. I knew the thing that I wanted and what I was going to get. It was going to be exciting and different, and I wasn't open to having something that, maybe everybody could access. I wanted something that, was really hard to get, that I had to fight to get, that I had to stand in line to get, or I could only have a limited supply of. But my mind was changed, and I realized by being open to a new experience, my way of life, my existence wasn't being threatened. I was actually limiting myself and stopping myself from enjoying even more than I was accustomed to. But I think the next time that I feel resistance, I'll remember this experience, and I'll have a new mantra going into facing that resistance to change, that hesitancy. Don't fear the beer. I think that'll be a good mantra for me. Don't fear the beer the next time I go into a situation where I'm being forced to change or even asked to change.